I'm Laura. I'm one of the marketing managers at RKL eSolutions, and we have been challenged by Sage Foundation to do some Earth Day activities. So what we're doing today is we're going to create some wildflower seed balls, which we'll then throw around our area to help rebuild some pollinator habitats for bees and butterflies. So we're started with 1/2 cup of flour. Ideally, you want to use clay if you can. We didn't have clay that is natural, so we're using flour instead. And then we added 5 cups of soil, which we dug up from our backyard. But if you live in an area that you can't just go digging out the soil, then you can use potting soil. It's okay. Ideally, it's better if it's natural, but potting soil will also work. So we've combined that in a container here. You see the flour at the bottom. And what we're going to do with this is we're going to add a little bit of water to kind of create a Play-Doh paste consistency. So I'm going to add the water here. And you want to add the water a little bit at a time so that you don't end up with complete mud. And if you're wondering, the key to getting soil out of your carpet is wait till it completely dries and then vacuum it up. So now that we have our soil at a dough kind of consistency, we're going to start making about golf ball size balls. And then with each ball, we're going to make a little divot in the middle, like this. And we're going to add some wildflower seeds. Now, ideally, you want to get wildflower seeds that are native to your area so that we're not introducing invasive species. So this is actually purchased very close by in Lancaster.
People. Bye-bye.
We want to put just a few seeds in each ball so that they're not overcrowded. And then we're going to close it up. So now that's ready to go and throw in your backyard, or if there are meadows nearby, to help rebuild the pollinator habitat in your area.